Welcome to Wealth in Focus, your navigator through the maze of investing and personal finance. Today we've got something special for tech enthusiasts and investors alike. We're shining the spotlight on a company that's making waves in the tech world, Supermicro Computer, or as many know it, SMCI. Stay tuned as we uncover why this stock could be the next big addition to your portfolio. The growth story of Supermicro. First on our list is Supermicro's jaw-dropping growth. Imagine a company that's not just growing, it's exploding. In its fiscal 2024 second quarter, Supermicro reported a record-breaking $366 billion in revenue. That's more than double the previous year's same quarter revenue. This isn't just growth. It's a sign of a company seizing the AI opportunity and running full speed ahead. Why the surge? Supermicro has carved a niche for itself with customizable, energy-efficient servers that cater to the demanding needs of AI technologies and hyperscale data centers. This strategic move is not just about meeting current demands, but setting the stage for future tech evolutions. Moving on, let's talk about competition, or in Supermicro's case, how they're outpacing it. While others focus on general-purpose servers, Supermicro's collaboration with giants like NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel has pushed its servers to the forefront. With an estimated 11% hold on the generative AI server market, the company is not just participating, it's dominating, with signs pointing to even more growth. We spoke with industry experts who believe Supermicro's approach of high performance with lower power consumption is a game-changer. This strategy not only attracts new customers, but also solidifies the company's position as a go-to for AI and data center needs. Hey, Wealth in Focus community! Before we dive into the surprisingly cheap valuation of Supermicro Computer, we have a quick favor to ask. If you're enjoying this deep dive and want more insights like these, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, so you never miss out on our twice-weekly content designed to boost your financial literacy and investment savvy. And now we want to hear from you. Drop a comment below sharing your thoughts on investing in tech stocks like SMCI or any questions you might have about the stock market and personal finance. Our channel thrives on your curiosity and engagement, and we're here to foster a community where we can all grow our wealth together. Remember, whether you're just starting out or looking to elevate your investment game, Wealth in Focus is your partner in building a financially secure and prosperous future. So, subscribe, share your thoughts, and let's embark on this journey to financial success together. Valuation and investment potential. Despite its monumental rise, you might wonder if Supermicro's stock is overvalued. Here's where it gets interesting. With a forward PEG ratio of less than 1, Supermicro presents a compelling case for being undervalued, considering its growth rate. This is a rarity in today's tech landscape and signals a potentially lucrative opportunity for investors. We crunched the numbers and compared Supermicro's valuation metrics against industry averages. What we found was surprising. Even with significant stock gains, Supermicro's growth prospects and financial health paint a picture of a stock that's still accessible for those looking for growth at a reasonable price. As we wrap up, remember, investing in stocks like Supermicro comes with its share of volatility and risk. It's crucial to do your homework, consider your financial goals, and possibly consult with a financial advisor. Supermicro's journey is a testament to innovation, strategic positioning, and the potential rewards of investing in the tech sector. Thank you for joining us on Wealth in Focus. If you found this deep dive into Supermicro Computer insightful, give us a like, share this video with fellow investors, and subscribe for more financial wisdom. Your journey to financial empowerment starts here. Until next time, stay sharp, invest wisely, and cultivate your wealth.